Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to fix if memory integrity is missing from your Windows 11 running system. So let's get started. So I'm currently on a Windows 11 system, and when I open the Windows security and then go to device security and then click core isolation details under core isolation, here you can see that the memory integrity option, which is expected to present here, is not available. It is completely missing. So if you're also facing the same problem and want to restore the memory integrity option on this core isolation page, let's see how you can do that. Here is our first solution. So in this case, I suggest you to uninstall the third-party antivirus in case if you are using it. You have to simply go to desktop and then right click on the start button and select settings. In the settings app, go to apps, then installed apps. And here in the list of installed app, completely uninstall your antivirus or the security software you are using for firewall, etc. In case if this option doesn't work, you can reinstall the antivirus back, but you can give it a try to get the memory integrity option restored. Then we have solution number 2. In this solution, you have to simply check if the virtualization technology or the virtualization support is enabled on your device. And for that, you can simply boot your device into BIOS settings. And once you boot into BIOS setting, I am showing you the example of Asus device. Here you can see that I am on the main page. If I go to advanced, I have here the option Intel virtualization technology. This is the option which would enable virtualization support on this device. So it is already enabled on this device. If it is disabled for you, you can simply enable it. And additionally, if you have other options to support virtualization technology, you can enable them as well. For example, VT-D, hyperthreading, Intel AES, NI. Ensure all of these are enabled in case if your device supports them. And once you enable them, just go to save and exit and make sure you save your changes. So here I have save configuration and exit. I'll just click on the OK button. After this, the device restarts and go back to the Windows 11 operating system. Third solution. Since you have already enabled the virtualization support in solution number 2, still the memory integrity option is not present for you, you can simply enable it using Registry. Right click on the start button and select run in run window. Type regedit and click OK. Click yes in the user account control confirmation prompt. In Registry editor window, paste this registry location from the video description and press the enter key. Once you arrive to scenarios registry key, simply do a right click and select new and then key. And name the newly created registry key as HypervisorEnforcedCodeIntegrity. Write it exactly as it is shown in this video. Now come to the right pane of this newly created registry subkey and right click and select new and then dword value. Name the newly created registry dword as enabled. Now simply double click on it and set its value data to 1. And now you can close the registry editor and restart your system. After restarting the system, you will find that the memory integrity option is now restored to your Windows security core isolation page. In case if you are still facing the issue, do let me know in your comments. I'll be happy to help you. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and I'll see you in the next video.